Recently, Microsoft introduced a breaking change to the way Power BI authenticates. Within Acumatica, that causes the following to happen if you're trying to add a Power BI tile, and you get this error message. In order to resolve that, you need to set up some items in Microsoft Azure Active Directory. To do that, navigate to dev.powerbi.com/apps and click the Azure Management Portal. Within that, you'll see this thing here called Azure Active Directory, App Registrations, and this is the application that I need to register right now. You go hit Settings, and you enter URLs. And then you need to add a URL of your application name with Power B I /auth, and then hit Save. Now when we return to our site, and as expected, we have the Power BI tile that shows up now in Acumatica.